Hello everyone, welcome to the X1 Tech channel. Today we're going to upgrade a Samsung 1TB SSD into our ROG Strix G16 laptop. As you can see, this is the Samsung SSD, the Evo Pro model. In the box we get the SSD itself along with a quick guide. Now moving to the laptop, once you remove the back panel, on the left side you'll notice an empty SSD slot. Simply align the Samsung SSD we showed earlier, slide it in carefully and secure it with the clip so that it locks firmly into place. Please double check that the SSD is properly fitted, as this ensures no damage happens to your laptop or the SSD itself. Once that's done, close the panel securely by sliding it back on. And that's it, the upgrade of your second slot SSD on the ROG Strix G16 is complete. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more tech upgrades here on X1 Tech.